Well, I'll be honest. I think I celebrated a little prematurely, and I did not make it back. Check it out. Here's the damage report. See that? Oh no. In a word? Shit. Since log 4209690. Finally sailing the Real McCoy. Check it out. Got a nice following sea right now. Autopilot's doing most of the work for me. All I'm doing is tuning sails. It's pretty pleasant here. Puppy Love downstairs chilling. I don't want him on decks right now while I'm fiddling around with sails. You know, he's a good boy, but I don't want him to get in the way. Check it out, I got my safety clip, my little carabiner here. I get it hooked to my little safety line so I don't have to worry about falling off the boat. We're actually surfing some pretty cool waves right now. I don't know if it's a big boat wake or what the hell it is. I can't stress enough how much autopilot is a game changer, but look at that. I mean, it's just, check out the surf. Here's a big one. Woo! Real peaceful day out here. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. That right there, that's my happy place. It's a little foggy. Tell me that doesn't suck. Well, the sail went really well. I didn't do the greatest job getting the sail down, but I actually got to drive the boat all the way into Pier Marquette and right through because my engine started overheating and I didn't know why. So I was sailing and I threw a gallon of coolant in it, water, thinking maybe it was just low. But as I came in, it straight up overheated on me again, and my slip is just on the other side of that big boat. Well, the motor was steaming, so I pulled in here to about 30 foot, and I dropped the hook. And this, I mean, it's not a bad spot. Working on your boat in exotic places. So, let me show you guys what I found here. This is not good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in trouble. So my water pump, this guy here, see that? Those two are supposed to be one, and they're clearly not. I don't know. I might maybe try hammering some copper pennies in there to balance it out, and just limp it to get it home and then pull it when I get home. This does not look good. I'm gonna get to work on this. The sun is still high in the sky. Puppy Love knows I'm mad. I got the pump removed. We clearly got plenty of water moving, but I can't move it with a pump and get it out the exhaust, so I'm gonna get to work and see what I can come up with, folks. Cross your fingers. Holy bejeebas. You would not believe what I just had to do. This is a nickel. See that? So I had to use this piece here as my die. Alright. Oh, this is hilarious, the shit that I come up with. So it's pretty simple. Alright, I'll just do a little quick demonstration. I took the little penny, see? 1 penny. Alright. And I take a little pair of pliers, and I'm using this radius as my guide. I wanted you to see what happens here. See the penny there? Alright, so see how it just took shape there? Now it's a radius? Because I had to make up for the difference in the shaft gap. See that? Now obviously it's not properly centered, and this is just a repair to get me home. I'm literally 300 yards away from the dock, but it's working. I might just get home under my own power and not have to get a tow. Look at my dirty paws. I had to put up a little, see my little stack of quarters here? So that the bottom of the shaft, it wouldn't affect the impeller, so I guess I'm going to put all this back together now and get this boat home. Good grief. I don't know if anyone's ever fixed a water pump for any cheaper than I just did. That, folks, is why you need a welder on board, because if I had a welder, I could have just welded this damn thing up, which is what I'm going to do when I get back to land tomorrow. Good grief. Okay, I'm going to put this back together. Wish me luck. Cross your fingers, cross your toes. Look at that shit. But I think we're going to make it. Woo! Well, I'll be honest. I think I celebrated a little prematurely, and I did not make it back. Check it out. Here's the damage report. See that? Oh no. In a word? Shit. Well, anyway, that's going to be a project for tomorrow. I'm going to tear it back down so I can take it in and get it welded up, and I'm sure I'll have it, as they say, back in ship shape in no time, but yep, found the problem. That's it. Y'all have a nice night. I'm a one-way motorway. I'm the one that drives away and follows you back home. I'm a street light shining. I'm the white light blinding bright and burning off and on. Oh, it's times like these you learn to live again. It's times like these you give and give again. It's times like these you learn to love again. It's times like these, time and time again. So stay tuned. I got some really cool little surprises in store for you guys. So till next time, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the little bell icon, share this out with your friends, and if you would be so inclined, check out my Patreon account. There's a link down at the bottom. If anybody would like to help out with some of these adventures, get a hold of me. We'll get you on the boat for some adventures, and if you just would like to make a financial contribution to help pay for some of this stuff, that'd be awesome. Hit the Patreon account and follow the links. It's all pretty self-explanatory. So, all right, love, peace, and chicken grease, folks.